Amen, say man. It's your boy Mike Makes Money back at again with a new video today. I'm going to be talking about TrustSawp and the high potential that it really has because people are trying to find ways to make fast money, the best money, and let's just talk about the potential, the upcoming roadmaps, and the crazy things that it could happen and why people might get into it. If you know anything about Binance, people go crazy when Binance lists a new cryptocurrency and people just want to buy it because there's a lot of recognition. And I just want to say, hopefully, TrustSwap in the future can have the same recognition as Binance of being able to launch IDO projects or cryptocurrencies. And once they launch, hopefully, they can just skyrocket in price. But that's only if you want to make fast money. But fast money is also the riskiest way to make money. Fast money is the fast. Can't even speak anymore. But I'm gonna get into TrustSwap and the upcoming roadmaps for Q2 of 2021, which could be soon, but they don't have exact dates. But I'm gonna list them off. So they're gonna do a website rehaul. So they're gonna probably make it look better, just more appealing, so people can be more attracted to it. But that's barely anything. Layer 2 staking on Matic, which Matic is gonna be almost not completely eliminate gas fees on Ethereum, but get them like really low with high scalability. And Ethereum, I've heard it a lot from people who have been in this space more than me, people who know what they're talking about. It takes a long time for Ethereum to update. So with Matic, it could actually be a really good solver of the Ethereum gas fees. And they're going to introduce minting also. Version 1.1, basically minting, you're able to actually create your own cryptocurrency. And if people actually want to create their own cryptocurrency, crazy, because what they're gonna do is also integrate with the Binance Smart Chain. So basically, you're gonna be able to actually mint your cryptocurrency, actually make your cryptocurrency using the Binance Smart Chain. And when people find out about Binance launching a new cryptocurrency, it happened with Atlas, my neighbor Atlas. People just buy it up because the name recognition alone. So that's an amazing service that they're gonna do, and they're gonna they're gonna do version 2 of escrow services, version 2 Polkadot. So I feel like that's gonna be maybe integrating with Polkadot if they haven't already, but that one I'm not too sure of. But Visa integration with Connect, Finachatari, can't even say the word honestly, but hopefully you're gonna be able to actually buy this crypto using Visa, and we'll see how it goes. So also they're gonna do Binance Smart Chain integration for Team Finance Token Lock and Liquidity Locks. So if you ever know about meme coins like Dogecoin, Host Finance, SafeMoon, which has been going crazy, I talked about it. A lot of people are just interested in these projects, but there's a lot of rug pulls, and people are scared that they can lose all their money on something that seems too good to be true. Once a project has a massive increase, like SafeMoon that went 900% in a week, and when Dogecoin went 400% in the same week before Doge Day, people started to sell their SafeMoon because they found out that I believe almost, I don't want to say because I don't really know, but I think it was around 50 to 40% was just owned by this one person. I feel like it was the creator. So people were kind of scared that at any moment this man could just sell everything and people will just lose their money off of an investment. So that's the reason why TrustSwap, if they're able to do liquidity locks where people are not going to be able to sell it, make the prices more stable, and people can actually just trust it, which is in the name. Just believe that they're not going to have any rug pulls. That would be amazing. And I feel like if people see the TrustSwap name, they're going to be able to hopefully just believe more in the cryptocurrency and feel less of a scam because, it is a risky business. It's cryptocurrency, all speculation and stuff. Now, they're also going to introduce swappable NFT market, which I love NFTs, being able to make money from playing video games. There's a whole section of NFTs, and being able to maybe make money from NFTs, I think they could go in like an open sea space or type beat where they actually just allow people to put their their NFTs on here and actually make money. If they actually do that, it's gonna be amazing. They're gonna have an airdrop portal, and airdrops are insane because I've heard stories of people that got in the Uniswap airdrop. They got like maybe hundreds of coins, the cryptocurrency of Uniswap, which was really cheap at the time. But right now, the last time I checked, Uniswap was around $30 to $40. So if you're getting 100 airdrops and you just wait years, hopefully if it's a good project, that's basically free money. And what you need to do is basically, most likely you had to stake their cryptocurrency. And when staking is involved, I feel like it really just helps the price of the cryptocurrency just settle down and have like a stable way just to not just fluctuate so much, because once you introduce staking, you can actually have passive income, make money from just putting your money in one place. It's kind of like dividends if you know anything about stocks. So, and in quarter three of 2021, they're saying that they're going to introduce crypto subscriptions, which in my just insane, because you got to think about OnlyFans and Patreon, all these platforms where people are actually able to have their own environment and they use it to get actual money from their supporters. If people find out about TrustSawp, hopefully it can change the game. And just getting paid in cryptocurrency, it's a new way. So I like the idea. Now they're going to introduce staking NFTs also in quarter three. And staking NFTs is kind of big, because if you think about it, I look at NFTs as making money from playing video games. You can also use it as art, but we'll see how it goes, because from what I've heard, it's really in the early stages of staking NFTs. Basically, I think you're able to make some like cryptocurrency like Wax, I believe. I think they have staking NFTs, but I'm trying to go off the top of my head. I wouldn't know the prices and how much money you can actually make, but we'll see in the future, and hopefully it goes well. And also in quarter three, a smartlaunch support for Cardano and Polkadot. So hopefully integrating with Cardano and Polkadot. Cardano is probably one of my favorite cryptocurrencies, so we'll see how that goes. And quarter four, TrustSawp DAO, decentralized organization. I don't even know what a DAO is, honestly. I just read what a DAO is before the video, but I forgot it. So just basically being able to decentralize, I know that for sure. I think a lot of DAOs that I know about, I think they have self-governance, so we'll see how it goes. And it's your boy, Mike Makes Money. Hopefully you enjoy this video talking about TrustSawp, and we'll see everything in the future. Hopefully it's a big thing in the future. So, peace.